Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to put a Lincoln Navigator in neutral. This is a very useful skill, whether you are preparing for a tow or dealing with a dead battery. We will cover two main methods, the standard procedure for models with electronic shifters and a manual override for emergencies. It is important to know both to ensure you can always move your vehicle safely. Let's get started with the first method. For many newer Lincoln Navigator models, putting the vehicle in neutral is straightforward with the electronic shifter. First, always make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal with your foot. Then, locate your push button or rotary gear selector on the console. Simply press the N button or rotate the selector to the neutral position. You should see a confirmation on your instrument cluster. If your Navigator has a dead battery or an electronic issue, you will need to use the manual override. Begin by engaging the parking brake to prevent any rolling. Look for a small plastic cover near your gear shifter on the console. It might be subtle. Gently pry this cover off using a small flathead screwdriver or even your car key. Beneath it, you will find a small button or lever. Press this release mechanism firmly while simultaneously moving the gear shifter from park to neutral. This will allow the vehicle to roll freely. Safety is paramount when working with your vehicle in neutral. Always apply the parking brake immediately after shifting to neutral, especially if on an incline. Remember that without the engine running, you will not have power steering or power brakes, making the vehicle much harder to control. To return to park, simply apply the brake pedal and select P on your shifter. If you use the manual override, remember to replace the small plastic cover securely. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.